Good morning.
Morning. We are in Mahogany Bay here in the island of Roatan in the country of Honduras. It is our last port stop of our Carnival Jubilee 7-day sailing. Today is going to be a very special day. It's going to be the best Valentine's ever.
So we always try to take advantage of sailings that fall on holidays. We really enjoy those extra special events that happen that you don't get on just traditional weeks during the year.
We sailed on Memorial Day, we sailed on Thanksgiving, we sailed on New Year's Eve, we sailed on St. Patrick's Day.
We are really excited to see what Valentine's has to offer. It looks like there are some wonderful events happening, and we're super excited. This might be the best holiday to sail on.
But for Valentine's Day, we are going to go downstairs, get some coffee, get some breakfast, and of course, exchange our Valentine's Day cards that we brought for each other. For the rest of the day, though, we are in one of the more beautiful ports of call here in the Western Caribbean. We're going to head down to the free beach at Mahogany Bay and just enjoy some days in the sun. It's February, but it is hot here. It is humid, so we want to go get in the water, enjoy this last port of call. We've got a couple of massages booked again in the spa. Again, we have a spa cabin on this sailing, so we're trying to take advantage of that. And because it's Valentine's Day and it's just us on this trip.
Get a little pampering in when we're kidless.
But then we have dinner reservations at the Steakhouse. We were lucky enough to snag one of those for Valentine's Day. Always beautiful sunsets here in Mahogany Bay. So again, all of that combined is going to make it the best Valentine's Day ever. And we're excited to share that with you. So let's get this day started. No, it's me.
Oh. Happy Valentine's Day.
That's me.
I don't know. Like that we got matching cards.
Happy Valentine's Day. Heart ring. Thanks, babe.
Happy Valentine's. Love you. Too bad I can't take this little jewel off and wear it. That'll be cute. So relaxing up here. No one's on the ship. They're all getting out.
We sailed down here before during New Year's and it was fairly chilly. Randy jumped in the water, but I didn't. It was too cold. So now we're here a month and a half later and it's going to be 85 degrees and hot. So perfect time to sail. Valentine's Day. Best holiday ever to sail. We made it to the free beach here in Mahogany Bay. We got a couple of chairs just lathered up on some sunscreen. Here in February on Valentine's Day, it is a hot 85 degrees. Hopefully that water is just the right temperature here as we end the winter season and get into spring. We didn't bring any waterproof cameras down with us out here, so you won't get to join us. But maybe that's when we can do some of the stuff that you do on Valentine's Day that you don't put on camera. Some of the tamer stuff, at least. We shopped a little bit, got some gifts for Charlie. She's been wanting a hobby horse forever for some reason. Absolutely not needed for her age. But we saw one here with a turtle, so I thought it would be a perfect gift for her. We are here all the way until 5:30 p.m. We've got some spa treatments booked at 3 o'clock, and we've got Steakhouse dinner reservations at 6. So it's going to be an amazing Valentine's Day. We're going to enjoy the water here. We'll head back to the ship and clean up before those massages here in just a little bit. Brady's going to grab us a couple of local beers, probably Salvavita.
Cheers.
Spa visit number 2 here on our last port day on Valentine's Day. We're headed to the spa. I've got a 50-minute couture touch. It is a half facial, half massage. And Randy has a 50-minute invigorating salt scrub.
Yeah, I just want to get like all glistening. Got a head start since we went to the beach this morning with my salt scrub. It's gonna be a great day. Nice and relaxing, good food.
Let's head to the spa. Like that. We are back from the spa. We are about to set sail away here in Roatan, so we might try to go catch the sunset with a cocktail just before we head to the Steakhouse.
Gotta get beautiful. I gotta get some makeup on this.
Yep, lots of photos taken tonight. So far, all the photographers have been really, really great this cruise, and we like a lot of the photos that we've gotten. I only get a few from this whole sailing, but we definitely always want to take advantage of as many opportunities as you can, because you never know when that one photo is just going to be perfect. I think we'll have a good one tonight.
I hope so. You're all glowy. You're going to outdo me tonight.
Yeah.
We made it. We're dressed. We're beautiful. Ready to celebrate Valentine's Day, and we're gonna kick it off with this gorgeous sunset.
We're actually leaving Roatan, leaving Honduras, leaving Mahogany Bay. And we're actually spinning around, so we might miss it. I think we're just going to catch it at the perfect time and be able to head back down to the steakhouse for dinner. Continuing on the best Valentine's Day ever.
Cheers.
Cheers. I guess we have to watch it. As you can see, we are not wearing what we wore to dinner at the steakhouse. A little nicer of a establishment, so we just went ahead and had our whole meal. It was absolutely wonderful. They even gave Brandy a beautiful flower. Like I wanted my head to make your head turn. It was very sweet for Valentine's Day. We're very fortunate to be able to get that reservation at the steakhouse because it was Valentine's Day. And of course, like I said, getting the flower at the end with the check was a nice icing on a cake for a nice romantic meal at the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse here on the Carnival Jubilee.
The Valentine's Day has been wonderful so far. And we got to relax a little bit. We had a wonderful meal. Now we're just kind of relaxing before we cap off the night with Kindle and a little special Valentine vow renewal. Mouthful.
But it's not just Kindle. There's going to be a surprise special guest via video feed. Did you hear about it?
No.
No? All right. It's going to be a surprise for Brandy, too. We went around and took a ton of more pictures. We have so many pictures to go through on our phone. So we're going to go sit and find some music to listen to and scroll through that and heart all of our favorites in case we want to purchase those. Otherwise, we're going to go up and catch maybe one more comedy show here in about 15 minutes. And then back to I think the Lido deck is actually where the wedding vow renewal ceremony is going to happen, and that's across the entire fleet. If that gives Brandy a hint of who might be the master of ceremonies. Can you dig it? We'll see you up there for that.
Bye.
It's about that time to grab your loved one and start a slow dance.
Jubilee family, are you guys feeling in love? And out there, I gotta know, who is in love tonight? Well, you guys, tonight and today is all about love. Here at Carnival Cruise Lines, we always choose love. Whatever your love looks like, we accept you. This is one big place of acceptance, happiness, and F-U-N, which spells... You guys saw the cake is over there. We got champagne, we got cake, we got a really beautiful moment coming up where we're all gonna renew our vows together. Isn't that special? Face each other like you're at the altar. Now, tonight, all of Carnival cruise ships Over 24 ships are coming together to celebrate this happy and monumentous occasion. I'd like you guys to keep each other hand in hand, but turn your heads to the screen for the man presiding over our ceremony tonight. It's our Chief Flag Officer, Shaq.
Here to celebrate Carnival's largest.
All right, everyone, hand in hand. Here we go.
This is our hand.
Today, we celebrate love. A love of life, a love of fun, a love of travel, and most importantly, love between your special person. The one who's by your side right now and always. This ceremony is to renew your promise to be forever first friends. To commit yourselves to each other all over again. You know, there's a reason they call it relationship. It's like a carnival ship, love can take you to places you can only dream of. Alrighty then. Let's do this. Face your partner and take hold of their hands. We're going to ask you some very special questions. You take this person to be your best friend? Your confidant? Your life partner? You promise to love them, honor them, and support them through good times and bad times. You promise to treat them with kindness, compassion, and patience this day and every day. You promise to never miss a Leo Day party. And get memories on really more vacations. You promise to keep it fun forever and always. Say it with me. I do.
I do.
Okay. On to the sausage stuff. Love invested in me as chief officer. I now declare your vows renewed.
Do it again.
I'm not going to anybody.
I think we get a better kiss than that.
Share this special moment. If you're a rich marriage, go on there. You're a good director. And remember, you are open to the door.
And I'd like to make a toast to all of you. To love. May you all have your heart filled with joy and laughter like you have seen here today with Mr. Shaq. And may you choose fun together in every way. To the happy couples and the most fun couples on board, cheers and happy renewal! Y'all, it's so beautiful. It's like the biggest middle school dance I've ever been to. She said yeah! Well, listen, some of y'all are celebrating years together, and some of y'all, this is just the beginning of your journey. On board Carnival Cruise Line, love is love. God bless y'all. I hope you guys have many more years of happiness, just like our friends have been to 2 years. You guys, tonight is a night about love, so eat cakes, drink up, and be merry. Happy Valentine's Day!